Storage is always a challenge in a small space, but today we're going to put this cart together and see if it can help get some of our things organized and hidden away. I've already unboxed everything and taken out all the panels and pieces out, and I've got everything laid out on the floor. You can see every single piece is numbered, and the package also came with baggies of screws and pegs, and each bag is clearly marked with a letter. And here's the instruction manual it came with. This is what it's supposed to look like once it's built. And as I flip through the manual, you can see they've inventoried every single part down to the quantity of each part, which is why everything was clearly marked with a letter or a number. And I love how they have diagrams accompanying each piece of instruction. All in all, there are 8 main steps to complete the build of this rolling cart. Fast forward, and an hour later, with 2 people assembling this cart, this is the finished product. We've got a nice wooden tabletop with 3 drawers down one side. The drawers easily slide out, and they're pretty deep, so they'll be able to hold a lot. On the other side, we have a couple of slat shelves underneath, and above the shelves, we have a removable tray with handles on either side. How cool is that? And here's a closer look at the tabletop. It's finished with a very smooth surface, so it will be very easy to clean. And I'll just turn this around and show you what the back looks like. Oh, and did I mention that this cart is on wheels? So if it's sitting in your dining room, you can easily roll it into the kitchen or vice versa. And as you can see, the wheels work very well on carpet. So we took a few minutes to fill our drawers with some kitchen supplies, and now we have the rolling cart nicely stocked with our favorite jug, glasses, and mugs. This cart has allowed us to clear some of the clutter away from our kitchen.